Today we are making Nigerian fried rice. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We all know Christmas is around the corner. When in doubt, just make fried rice. Please click the subscription button before we start. In a pot, start by adding your vegetable oil. But by now, you make sure you parboil your normal Nigerian rice if you are using that. If it's basmati rice, no need to parboil. Next, going with your onions. I prefer using white onions for fried rice because of the flavor it gives it, but you can also use your purple onions. After adding any of these ingredients, I prefer to give it a stir before I go in with any other ingredients so that the flavor can incorporate well into the food. Next, I went in with curry powder. Your fried rice must not be too colorful before it should be called a fried rice, because some people prefer to add many color. After adding curry, I added my thyme, gave that a stir before I now went in with seasoning cube. I used chicken Knor seasoning because chicken and turkey is the protein of choice for this fried rice. I went ahead to add my blended pepper and I used Scotch bonnet pepper for this fried rice. The quantity of pepper used depends on the quantity of rice you are making. Next, I went in with salt, gave this a stir before I now added the already parboiled rice. After adding this rice, I will have to fry it for a while before I cover the pot and allow it to cook. The reason why I'm doing this is that it gives the rice a better texture and can make it last longer. So my dear, you should learn to fry your rice for your fried rice and you will like it. After I have allowed the rice to cook for about 5 minutes, I went ahead to add my chicken and turkey meat stock. Please, you should marinate your chicken or any meat of your choice for your fried rice because this will enhance the flavor and taste of the fried rice. I will be attaching the link on how to marinate your chicken and turkey meat for your fried rice on the description below. So feel free to watch it after watching this video. In making fried rice, I would advise you parboil your rice to almost done, so that you end up using only meat stock as the only water content for the rice. This will give you a better taste and make your fried rice more delicious. So I will go on and cover this pot and allow our rice to cook while we prepare the veggies for the rice. Now let's get into that. When our rice is cooking, I will add vegetable oil in my frying pan, allow that to get a little bit hot, and then go in with my carrots. We all know carrot is more hard and thick than every other veggies. I will give this a stir for about 3 minutes before I go in with my yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, and red bell pepper. You can see how I beautifully chopped these veggies in cubes. That is how you should chop yours. Next, I went in with my dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, and oyster sauce. If you don't have these sauce, you can spice your veggies with just salt and seasoning cube, or you can spice only with seasoning cube. Next, I added the sweet corn, and I did not allow this to stay even 5 seconds. Immediately I added it, I stirred and removed it from fire. Once you are done making your veggies, you check if your rice is done. Once there is no more water in it, go ahead to transfer the veggies into the rice. At this point, the rice is cooking on a very low heat. While turning the rice and veggies together, get your spring onions ready. But please, if you are finishing this rice on that very day, you can feel free to add your spring onions. Or if you are putting yours in fridge, feel free to put spring onions. Though mine stayed longer than 2 days even without putting in fridge. And I guess it's the method I used to cook the rice. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to click the subscription button so you can get notified anytime I post new videos. See you in my next video. Bye.